Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome if you're new. A little while ago, while browsing Amazon for dolls, I stumbled upon something adorable that I just had to open with you guys. So today's video is a little different, but I hope you'll enjoy it anyway. So I know this isn't the Q&A video I promised. I ended up getting sick this month, so I opted for finishing this video, which I filmed a while back and already edited halfway instead. The Q&A video should hopefully come out soon-ish. Thank you for your patience. It's one of my dreams to have cats named after food one day. So you can imagine my happiness when I stumbled upon these Aphmau, not sure how to pronounce that, mystery Mee Meows that are food themed. I had to have one. But I couldn't stop there. I got 6 of them to open with you guys today. This is litter 2, and it says that there are 8 different kitties to be collected. I wonder which ones we'll get. Here's the box up close. Every box looks the same, so they don't spoil what's inside. And here we have some adorable artwork of what we might expect. On the sides, you have pictures of the actual figurines you can collect. They're looking so cute. This cupcake one is my favorite. Inside, they're wrapped in a bit of tissue paper to keep their identities hidden for as long as possible, which I think is nice. We also have a cheat sheet with the same artwork as the box, and a link to the brand's YouTube channel, I think. And a little checklist to mark which ones you get. Okay, let's open our first one. It's looking like a darker color. Oh, this is a good one to start on. It's the Day of the Dead one. Wow, they're much bigger than I thought. Oh, she's so pretty. I love the little bone pose. An excellent start. The second kitty wasn't folded up properly in the tissue paper, so I spoiled it for myself. Oh, we have the little Halloween one. This one has a little jack-o'-lantern body, and it's just the cutest thing I have ever seen. He also has toe beans, which makes me very happy. Aww. This one I think is strawberries and cream flavored, and again, adorbs. I really like the white kitties, they look so soft. Also, it's our first food themed one. I guess the other 2 were specials for spooky season, maybe? Anyway, her face is beautiful. This one was also peeking out. Dang it, the spoilers! Here we got the golden hamburger boy. It's so incredibly funny to me. Why is he gold, but still a hamburger? I have so many questions. The next one luckily didn't escape its wrapping paper, but I can see it peeking through. Oh. And it's the cinnamon roll. He's so cute. He's so cute. With that, we're already at the last box. Will it be the cupcake one I wanted so bad? Oh, it's so cute though. We got the chocolate chip one. Oh, not the cupcake one, but also such a cutie. I love how they painted his eyes. They're so big and happy. Of the ones we got, I think my favorites are the cinnamon roll one. I also really like the cookie and the white one, though I may customize her to look like the cupcake. Is that something you'd like to see? And I love the Halloween one with the tiny pumpkin. It's a pumpkin! Anyway, I like the hat. Did you have a favorite kitty? Comment down below which one you liked best. I'm tempted to buy more to see if I can get the full set. What do you think? Should I? If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, and you think I deserve it, please consider giving it a big old-fashioned thumbs up, commenting, and subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you liked this video, let me know if you'd want to see more content like this. If you don't want to miss that when it comes out, boop that subscribe button, stick around, and as always, stay golden. I'll see you next time. Bye!